Welcome to Learn with Us, your trusted companion for mastering ICSE chemistry. Question 1. Give one use for each of the following inert gases. A. Argon. Answer is argon is used to fill electric bulbs, which improves the quality and life of the bulb. B. Helium. Answer is helium is used for filling up weather observation balloons. C. Neon. Answer is neon is used in making advertising signboards and tube lights. B. Radon. Answer is radon is used for cancer treatment. E. Krypton. Answer krypton is used for photography. F. Xenon. Answer is xenon is used for photography. Answer the questions put against each of the following constituents of air. A. Nitrogen. Explain its significance for plants and animals. Answer. Nitrogen is a crucial nutrient that supports the growth and development of all living organisms, including plants and animals. Plants utilize nitrogen to synthesize proteins, which are then passed on to humans and animals through the consumption of plant-based foods. B. Oxygen. What is the percentage proportion of oxygen in air? Why is oxygen called active air? Answer. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the air. It is called active air because it helps things burn and is essential for living beings to survive. C. Carbon dioxide. Although carbon dioxide plays no role in respiration, all life would come to an end if there is no carbon dioxide in air. Support this statement with relevant facts. Answer. Carbon dioxide is not used in breathing, but life would stop without it. This is because 1. Plants need carbon dioxide for food. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make food through photosynthesis, and all animals, including humans, depend on plants for food. 2. Keeps Earth warm. Carbon dioxide traps heat and prevents it from escaping into space, keeping the Earth warm, especially at night. This helps maintain the planet's temperature balance. D. Water vapor. Explain its role in modifying the Earth's climate. D. The presence of water vapor in air causes rain. At low temperatures, water vapor condenses to form snow, sleet, mist, frost, hail, dew, fog, etc. In this way, water vapor plays an important role in modifying Earth's climate. Define the following terms. A. Pollutants. Answer. Pollutants are unwanted substances in the air that can harm plants and animals. B. Acid rain. Answer. When rainwater contains acids, it is called acid rain. Gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide mix with water in the air to form acids. These acids come down to the earth with the rain, making it harmful. C. Global warming. Answer. When gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons increase in the air, they trap heat. This makes the earth and its surroundings hotter. This effect is called global warming. D. Smog. Answer. Nitrogen oxides mix with smoke and fog to create smog, which can irritate our eyes. Air is a mixture. Support this statement citing at least 3 evidences. Answer. Air is a mixture can be explained with these 3 reasons. 1. Air composition changes. The amount of different gases in the air is not the same everywhere or at all times. 2. Gases keep their own properties. The gases in the air, like oxygen and nitrogen, do not lose their original characteristics. 3. No energy is used. When the gases mix to form air, no energy is used or released. What is air pollution? What are the harmful effects of sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and hydrogen sulfide present in the air? Answer. When air has harmful substances that can hurt plants and animals, it is called polluted air. Here are the harmful effects of some gases. 1. Sulfur dioxide. This gas is very dangerous and causes breathing problems. 2. Nitrogen dioxide. It mixes with smoke and fog to form smog, which irritates our eyes. 3. Acid rain. Both sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide cause acid rain, which damages crops, buildings, water, and land. 4. Hydrogen sulfide. This gas has a bad smell and can give people headaches. A. What are the causes of air pollution? Answer. The causes of air pollution are 1. Natural events, volcanic eruptions and pollination of crops. 2. Burning fuels and materials like fibers. 3. Cutting trees, deforestation, or cutting down trees. 4. Vehicle smoke, harmful gases from vehicles. 5. Chemicals in farming using fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides in farming. 6. More factories. The growth of industries. 7. War chemicals, using chemical weapons during wars. B. Suggest 5 measures to prevent air pollution. Here are 5 ways to reduce air pollution. 1. Plant trees. Grow more plants and trees to clean the air. 2. Use chimneys with filters. Factories and power plants should use tall chimneys with filters to reduce smoke. 3. Better engines. Vehicles should have good internal combustion engines to create less pollution. 4. Install catalytic converters. Vehicles can use catalytic converters to reduce harmful gases. 5. Stop burning waste. Avoid burning paper, garbage, dry leaves, and other waste materials. Exercise 2. Name A. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Answer: oxygen. B. A chemical called oxygenated water. Answer: hydrogen peroxide. HO. C. A metal highly resistant to rusting. C. A metal highly resistant to rusting. Answer: platinum. D. A mixture of oxygen and carbon dioxide used for artificial respiration. Answer: carbogen. E. 2 substances from which oxygen can be obtained on a large scale. Answer: air, water. F. An oxide and a carbonate containing oxygen. Answer: sodium oxide. Now, calcium carbonate, CaCO. G. 2 substances which undergo rapid oxidation. Answer: sodium, Na, carbon. C. A. Taking hydrogen peroxide. How would you prepare oxygen in the laboratory? Answer: here's how oxygen is made in the laboratory using hydrogen peroxide. Take manganese dioxide. A small amount of manganese dioxide is put into a flat-bottomed flask. Add hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is added slowly into the flask using a thistle funnel. As shown in the figure, oxygen is released. Manganese dioxide helps break down hydrogen peroxide quickly, releasing oxygen gas. Collect the oxygen. The oxygen passes through a delivery tube, bubbles through water in a trough, and is collected in a gas jar filled with water by displacing the water downward. B. What is the role of manganese dioxide in the preparation of oxygen? Answer: manganese dioxide acts as a catalyst. It decomposes hydrogen peroxide very fast and liberates oxygen. C. Write the balanced chemical equation for the above chemical reaction. D. Hydrogen peroxide is preferred in the preparation of oxygen gas because. Answer: hydrogen peroxide is preferred in the preparation of oxygen gas because no heating needed. Hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen without requiring heat. Controlled oxygen release. The rate of oxygen production is moderate and easy to manage. Safe to use. Hydrogen peroxide is a safe chemical to handle. E. Why is oxygen collected by downward displacement of water? Answer: oxygen collected by downward displacement of water because heavier than air. Oxygen is slightly heavier than air, so it cannot be collected over air. Low solubility in water. Oxygen dissolves very little in water, only about 0.7%, making it easy to collect without losing much gas. F. What happens when a glowing splinter is introduced in a jar containing oxygen? Answer: when a glowing splinter is introduced into a jar of oxygen, the splinter rekindles, starts burning brightly, because oxygen supports combustion. However, oxygen does not catch fire on its own as it is not a flammable gas. G. What happens when oxygen gas is passed through alkaline pyrogalol solution? Answer: when oxygen gas is passed through an alkaline pyrogalol solution, the solution turns brown. This happens because oxygen reacts with pyrogalol in the alkaline solution. Note: 1. Pyrogalol is a chemical compound that comes from plants. It is a type of organic compound used in laboratories for its ability to absorb oxygen. 2. An alkaline solution is a liquid that has a pH value greater than 7, making it the opposite of an acidic solution. It is a solution that contains a base, like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, dissolved in water. A. What happens when I. Mercuric oxide? Answer: when mercuric oxide, HgO, is heated, it breaks down into 2 substances, mercury, Hg, a shiny liquid metal, oxygen, O, gas, which supports burning. The reaction is written as 2HgO heated to HgO. This shows that heating mercuric oxide produces mercury and oxygen. A. What happens when 2. Potassium nitrate are heated? Answer: when potassium nitrate is heated, it breaks down into potassium nitrite, oxygen gas. The reaction is written as 2KNO heat to KNO oxygen. This shows that heating potassium nitrate releases oxygen gas. B. Why is potassium chlorate not used for laboratory preparation of oxygen? Answer: potassium chlorate, KClO, is heated to produce oxygen gas. but it is not used in the lab because 1. High heat can crack the glass apparatus. 2. It can cause accidents and burns due to the intense reaction. To avoid these dangers, potassium chlorate is not preferred for making oxygen in the lab. What are oxides? Give 2 examples for each of metallic and non-metallic oxides. Answer is answer. Oxides are compounds made when a substance, metal or non-metal, combines with oxygen. Examples of metallic oxides: sodium oxide, NaO, calcium oxide, CaO. Examples of non-metallic oxides: sulfur dioxide, SO, carbon dioxide, CO. Name the 3 types of oxidation processes. In which of these, large amount of heat and light energy are produced? Answer: there are 3 types of oxidation processes. 1. Spontaneous oxidation, happens naturally without any help. Example: when a cut apple is left in the air, it turns brown. 2. Fast oxidation, burning combustion, produces a lot of heat and light energy. Example: burning wood or fuel. 3. Slow oxidation, happens slowly over time. Examples: rusting of iron, respiration in living beings. What do you observe when the following substances are heated and then tested with moist blue and red litmus paper? A. Sulfur. Answer: I. Sulfur burns with a bright bluish flame. So. 2. It produces a pungent smell of sulfur dioxide. So. Gas. 3. The gas turns moist blue litmus paper red, showing that it is acidic. B. Phosphorus. Answer: what do you observe when the following substances are heated and then tested with moist blue and red litmus paper? B. Phosphorus. Answer: when phosphorus burns, I. It gives a dazzling flame. 2. Produces dense white fumes of phosphorus pentoxide, PO. 3. The fumes turn moist blue litmus paper red, showing it is acidic. The reaction is PO. What do you observe when the following substances are heated and then tested with moist blue and red litmus paper? C. Calcium. Answer: when calcium burns, I. It gives a bright brick red flame. 2. Forms a white solid called calcium oxide, CaO. 3. The product turns moist red litmus paper blue, showing it is basic. The reaction is 2CaO to CaO. What do you observe when the following substances are heated and then tested with moist blue and red litmus paper? D. Magnesium. Answer: when magnesium burns, I. It gives a bright dazzling light. 2. Forms a white powder called magnesium oxide, MgO. 3. The product turns moist red litmus paper blue, showing it is basic. The reaction is 2 megagrams O to MgO. Complete and balance the following chemical equations. A. Give 4 uses of oxygen. Answer: 1. Respiration, essential for breathing in humans and animals. 2. Burning, supports combustion to produce energy. 3. Industrial uses. I. Used in welding and cutting metals. 2. Helps remove impurities in manufacturing. 4. Medical uses. I. Oxygen cylinders for patients with breathing problems. 2. Mixed with nitrous oxide for local anesthesia. B. How is oxygen naturally renewed in air? Answer: oxygen is naturally renewed by photosynthesis. I. Plants take in carbon dioxide and water. 2. In the presence of sunlight, they make glucose and release oxygen gas into the air. This process keeps the oxygen level in the air balanced. Question 9. State 2 differences between rusting and burning. Difference 1. Rusting is a slow oxidation process, whereas burning is a fast oxidation process. Difference 2. Rusting requires both air and moisture, while burning requires only air. These differences highlight the contrasting nature of these 2 processes. Objective type questions. A. Dash is the most abundant inert gas present in air. Answer is argon. B. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen combine with rain water to form dash and dash, which cause dash. Answer is sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, nitrous acid, nitric acid, acid rain. C. Dash and dash are the most common air pollutants. Answer is oxides of carbon, dust. D. Dash discovered the oxygen gas. Answer is Joseph Priestley. E. Oxygen occupies about dash of air by volume. Answer is 21%. Objective type questions. Question 2. Match the following. Column A. Global warming. B. Acid rain. C. Rust. D. Catalyst. E. Photosynthesis. Column B. I. Hydrated ferric oxide. 2. Manganese dioxide. 3. Carbon dioxide. 4. Methane. V. Nitrogen dioxide. Match each item in column A with its correct pair from column B. Here are the correct answers for the match the following. Global warming matches with methane, acid rain matches with nitrogen dioxide, rust matches with hydrated ferric oxide, catalyst matches with manganese dioxide, photosynthesis matches with carbon dioxide. These pairings reflect the relationships between the processes and the substances involved. Question 3a. A fuel that releases the least amount of pollutants in the air when used. The options are sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, smoke, CNG. Correct options are CNG. Question 3b. The natural way of adding oxygen to the air, which involves green plants, is called photosynthesis, respiration, burning, dissolutions. Correct options are photosynthesis. Question 3c. Which one of the following is most likely to be corroded? A stainless steel cupboard, a galvanized iron bucket, an iron hammer, a tin-plated iron box. Correct options are 3. An iron hammer. Thank you for watching our video on air and atmosphere. We hope you learned something new about the importance of air, its composition, and its role in sustaining life on Earth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.